Round 3. Yep. I'm doing it for YouTube and nothing else. They asked me to ride it 5 times in a row, so. Yeah. You cool with? Yeah. And I can't say it's a good ride. I'd be lying. But it's not awful either.
Yeah, the blue ride is nice.
The one over Lightning Run? Yeah, that one's really smooth. And Storm Chaser's pretty good too.
That's rough. Oh!
No, yeah, yeah. And then Thunder Run is, it's rough. I haven't tried Kentucky Flyer yet, have you?
No. Oh, yeah.
Is it good?
It's okay.
I mean, considering it's a family coaster, is it pretty good? Alright.
Do you get money for doing that?
I'm working my way to get 2,000 subscribers, and then you can get money. It's not as hard as it sounds, but it's harder than it looks. You know what I mean? Like, it sounds like a big number, but I think trips like this, I'm doing like a bunch of like parts right now. It'll help. Every bit helps. And it'll give me content for months. I can use the footage, so. Which is a good thing. Alright. Yeah, and I do it because I like it. Whoa! Woo! Ah! Ah! Ah, those transitions are awful. Ow! Oh! Whoa! Can't even. I feel that guy. I feel him. I can't even imagine when this thing back in the day had over-the-shoulder restraints. God, your head would just be boom, boom, boom. As it is, it was going side to side, but there's nothing to hit. Dang. Wonder where the second train is. Because I know they have two. Maybe they're doing maintenance on it or something.
Maybe like repainting it or something.
Yeah. Good news is red stands out so much that if there's chip paint, it doesn't really, it kind of, so the track doesn't need as much painting. There we go. Alright. 2 more. Boy.